Essential English conversations at the airport. Travel with confidence. Where is the check-in counter? The check-in counter is over there. Can I check in online? Yes, you can check in online 24 hours before your flight. How many bags can I carry? You can carry one carry-on and one checked bag. What time does the boarding start? Boarding starts 30 minutes before departure. Where can I find the departure gate? You can find it on your boarding pass. Can I bring liquids in my hand luggage? Yes, but only up to 100 milliliters per container. Where is the baggage claim area? It is near the arrivals section. Do I need to take off my shoes at security? Yes, you need to remove your shoes and belt. Can I get a window seat? I will check if a window seat is available. Where can I exchange currency? You can exchange currency at the exchange counter. How much is the overweight baggage fee? The fee is $50 per extra kilogram. Is my flight delayed? No, your flight is on time. Can I take food in my hand luggage? Yes, but it should be packed properly. Where can I find the nearest restroom? The restrooms are near gate 10. What documents do I need for boarding? You need your passport and boarding pass. Can I carry my laptop in hand luggage? Yes, but you need to take it out at security. How long is the flight to New York? The flight is about 6 hours. Can I upgrade my seat to business class? Yes, you can upgrade at the check-in counter. Where can I buy travel insurance? You can buy it online or at the airport. Can I board early with my child? Yes, families with children can board first.
Easy English conversation, cooking recipe chat. Hi Annabelle. How are you today?
Hi George. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. I was thinking about trying a new recipe today. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. What recipe are you thinking of?
I want to make a simple pasta dish. Do you have any good recipes for pasta?
Yes, I do. How about we make spaghetti with tomato sauce?
That sounds perfect. What ingredients do we need?
We need spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, basil, salt, and pepper.
Great! I have all those ingredients. What's the first step?
First, we need to boil the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and add a little salt.
Okay, I'll do that. How long should I boil the spaghetti?
Boil it for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's al dente. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce.
Sounds good. How do we make the sauce?
Heat some olive oil in a pan. Then add chopped garlic and sauté until it's golden brown.
I love the smell of garlic cooking. What's next?
Next, add the chopped tomatoes. Cook them until they are soft and form a sauce.
Should I add any spices?
Yes, add some salt, pepper, and a few basil leaves for flavor.
This is starting to smell really good. How long do we cook the sauce?
Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. By then, the spaghetti should be ready.
The spaghetti is done. Should I drain it?
Yes, drain the spaghetti and then add it to the sauce. Mix everything well.
Wow, this looks delicious. Anything else we need to do?
No, that's it. Just serve it on a plate and enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much for the recipe, Annabelle. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome, George. Enjoy your cooking.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, George.
Master Basic English Communication 20 Must Know Q&A for Beginners. What is your phone number? My phone number is 523-456-7890. Can I call you later? Yes, you can call me after 6 p.m. Where do you live? I live in London. What is your email address? My email address is albert@example.com. Can you send me the details? Yes, I will send them by email. Who is calling, please? This is Barbara speaking. How can I contact you? You can contact me by phone or email. Are you available for a meeting tomorrow? Yes, I am available in the afternoon. What time is the meeting? The meeting is at 10 a.m. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you clearly. Can we meet in person? Yes, let's meet at the cafe. What's the best way to reach you? The best way is through WhatsApp. When can we talk? We can talk tonight. Do you have a business card? Yes, I have one with me. Can I leave a message for Albert? Yes, I will give him your message. Who should I contact for more information? Please contact Barbara for more details. Is it okay to text you? Yes, texting is fine. Can you repeat that, please? Sure, I said, the meeting is at 10 a.m. Are you on social media? Yes, I am on Facebook and Instagram. How do I spell your last name? It's spelled Albert.
Easy English conversation, pets and their care. Hello, Alice. Do you have any pets?
Hi, James. Yes, I have a dog named Max. He loves long walks and playing fetch. How about you?
I have 2 cats named Bella and Coco. They like to sleep a lot and play with their toys.
That's cute. What do you feed Coco and Bella?
I feed them cat food that I buy from the store. Sometimes they eat fish. What does Max eat?
Max eats dog food, but his favorite is chicken. He gets chicken on special days.
Pets are fun. Where do you take Max for walks?
We go to the park near our house. It is a big park with lots of space to run and play. Do Bella and Coco go outside?
No, they stay inside. But I have a small garden where they can sit in the sun.
That sounds nice. Do you ever travel with your pets?
Sometimes. I take them to my friend's house if I go on holiday. What about you?
Max goes with us on holidays. We have a car with space for him. He loves car rides.
It's great to have pets. They make life happy.
Yes, they really do. Thanks for chatting, James. I need to take Max out now.
No problem, Alice. Say hello to Max for me.
I will. Bye, James.
Bye, Alice.